Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we try different strategies for trading binary options. Most of them quite simple, but still effective, and using which you can easily make good money, guys. Today is OTC market, we should be really careful. And for today's strategy, I picked the following indicators. It's gonna be the MACD. Let's change the settings right away. We set the fast period to 6, slow period to 12, and the signal period to 5. Okay, in my experience, I can say that these are the best settings for trading on a 1-minute time frame as usual. How to open position, guys? We are gonna watch the crossing of the moving average on the MACD. We also look at the color of the histogram that show us what dynamics dominates in the market. I mean positive or negative. Also, we're gonna look at the local high and local lows, and we needed one more indicators, it's zigzag. Okay, we don't change settings on zigzag. Well, let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you how it works in trading. We open position for all the money and we trade on a 1-minute time frame as always. Let's analyze the market first. Well, the crossing of the moving average hasn't happened yet. Let's take our time. And yep, the crossing. Here it comes, and let's open the long position here. Let me explain the why. First of all, we see the updating of the local high here after, which local low was updated at this point. And basically, a small bounce from this level should happen, guys. We also see the positive dynamics on the MACD, as well as the crossing of the moving average, and it tells us that a positive dynamics should take place. And look at this beautiful breakout. Great timing for trade entry. There are approximately 15 seconds left before the closing. Our position will be in profits. The candle doesn't show high volatility. We opened exactly when the closing happened. And look at this result. Brilliant trade entry. 5 seconds. And there we go. There are almost $900 on the balance. You see that the positive dynamics is gaining moment on the MACD. Beautiful bounce is happening exactly as we predicted. Let's continue the trading session. But before we continue, let's update the trade amount. And then we find another promising trade entry. So the crossing of the moving average is happening right now. This is a bullish signal, but let's open a long position. I am gonna show you one more time, guys. We see the updating of the local high here, after which just drove downward dynamics followed up. By the way, we have a strong upper zone here, and obviously we should expect the same bounce from it like we saw on the previous cards fail. Meanwhile, we see that the positive names show up. I'm in green histogram, and this is bullish signal. Let's watch. And yep, look at the chart. The breakout is happening. Good price pullback is imminent, and actually we got a good position entry. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing. And we got it. Great outcome. We see 1600 bucks on the balance. Signal is simple, just like I said, guys. We noticed a positive histogram on the MACD and also the crossing of the moving average, which means the price should move upwards, guys. Let's update the trade amount and let's keep going. What we got here, the crossing has already happened. It's no big deal. Well, look for missing, guys. And let's open another long position. Explanation is absolutely the same. We expect to see the crossing of the moving average. A positive dynamics is gonna show up on the MACD. By the way, the updating of the local low just happened here, after which it's very likely that the price will go up. We can already see good price surge. I think a strong pullback is gonna happen at the end. We found a nice position entry level. Keep in mind that you should wait until the price starts going somewhere. Then we have more chance to end up in profits. So don't forget about it when you trade binary options. Look at the inception of a new candle. It's red now, but never mind, a good pump has already happened. We got $3,000 on the balance, guys. Let's continue the trading session. There is no stopping here. As you see, the price skyrocketed up, exactly as we expected. The crossing played out perfectly. Let's keep going. So the crossing again. Let's open a long position right now. So we observe a crossing of the moving average of the MACD, a positive dynamic just show up. By the way, the local low was updated, after which we should expect the price to go much higher. And just look at this beautiful breakout, guys. Isn't this amazing? There are 10 seconds left before the expiration of the candle. We need the candle to close as high as possible. And let's watch. This is so great, guys. Here is the plan. We got almost $6,000 on the balance, and I think it's too early to stop. Let's continue analyzing, and we are going to find the best trading opportunity. I think we open our final position and then we fix the profit. As simple. We see the downtrend on the chart, and I think the local low is about to be updated. And let's open 2 short position. Everything is really simple. The price bounced from the resistance level. The local low was updated, after which we some downward dynamics, and I think it will keep going. Basically, we see the crossing of the moving average on the MACD. The downward dynamics showed up. And this is a pure signal, guys. Let's watch. Here is the breakdown. The candle has a nice volatility. Not too high and not too low, just perfect one. Even if the price doesn't go lower, it will definitely hit the previous local low, and our position should be closed in profits. And there we go. There was a nice dump, guys. We got $10,000 on the balance. We started from $400, if I'm not mistaken, and we are gonna call it a night. Let's move on to the withdrawal. Withdrawal. We made some good money today. I'm happy with the outcome. Let it be $10,400, and I'm gonna put down the quote. Wait 1 moment. Okay. Nice, press the continue button, and there we go. Our withdrawal request has been sent. I'll touch the screen as always. I hope now the strategy is clear for you, because it's not that difficult, and I hope my explanation is gonna help you. There is nothing complicated. We simply watch the dynamics on the MACD, look for the crossing of the moving average. By the way, the signal should be supported by the updating of the local high or low. And don't forget about the strong zones, I mean the support and resistance zones. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.